Hey everybody, this is Steve from Brass Horse, and I want to walk you through the solution to a problem that I was having using this Rexing V1P. Probably could happen to a V1 without the rear view mirror. And it turned out to be a pretty simple solution to a problem that looked pretty wacky. In fact, I'm going to try to show on the screen the problem that I was having was this was intermittently turning on and off, on and off. And it took about, I'd say 10 to 20 seconds for each cycle. As it turned out, the problem was a poorly formatted micro SD card. So I want to walk you through what I wound up doing that fixed it right away. If you have this problem where your Rexing Dashcam is intermittently turning on and off, what you need to do is power down the unit by either going ahead and pressing the power off button, and I'll do that now. Or the other alternative is to just unplug the power. Okay, now this Rexing is completely powered down. What you need to do is very quickly, when you turn the power back on, whether it's hardwired to your car like mine is, or it's on a 12 volt, then just go ahead and plug it in, power it up. There it is. And quickly hit the menu button. Now, okay, now that you're at the menu button, hit the menu button again to go to the second tab. That's the one you want. And you need to do this kind of quickly. I auto-focused out. You need to do this kind of quickly when the unit first powers up. So you want to hit the menu button right here, hit the button quickly, and hit it twice to go to the second tab. When it goes to the second tab, and go ahead and cycle through until you get to format. There you go. And when you get to format, then you're going to go ahead and hit the OK button, which is this one right here. And you'll notice that it's asking me, do I want to go through this? And you want to say yes. And it only takes a second. Go ahead and power your unit off. Give it a little while and start it back up again. So here was the problem that I wound up having. The problem that I wound up having was I wound up taking my SD card out and I had it in my computer, and I just thought I'd go ahead and clean it or clear it. In fact, Rexing recommends that you do periodically reformat your card. So I reformatted it on my desktop computer. And as it turns out, the formatting that your desktop computer does writes just a tiny bit of code that the Dashcam doesn't know what to do with. And so it powers up, it can't read the card, it doesn't wind up saying you don't have an SD card in here, it just powers down. And then it waits a little while and it powers up because your power control is turned on, and then it powers back down. And the way to stop that is to put the right code in by going ahead and reformatting your card, but you have to do that very quickly on power up by hitting the menu button. Hey, hope this helps. And if it did help, then please do me a favor, like and subscribe, because I need subscribers.